So if you're wondering how do I search by product categories in WooCommerce, you've probably run into this problem. You've set up your store, you've created some categories, and there are some products in those categories. But when you go to the front end and use the default WordPress search to search for one of those categories, nothing comes up. That's because by default, WordPress doesn't include WooCommerce categories in searches. And for some stores, that's incredibly important because if you have a lot of products in your catalog or complicated products, you're going to want customers to be able to find those products easier using category searches. So then, how do I search by product categories in WooCommerce? Well, there are two ways. If you're a developer, you can reach for some code like this that alters the query when you search to include WooCommerce categories. Or you can use some code like this that uses WC get products with the category passed as a parameter. This is an option if you're a developer and you want to maintain custom code. But the best way to implement search by product categories in WooCommerce is with a search plugin like Elevated Product Search by Elevated Extensions. And I'll show you exactly why this is the best way to do it. Let's go back over to our WordPress site. We're going to go to Plugins and activate Elevated Product Search. Now we can go to Elevated Product Search in the menu, and we'll go to our advanced options, and all we have to do is turn on this toggle. Now let's save. Then let's replace the default WordPress search form with our Elevated Product Search form. To do that, all we have to do is drop in a shortcode into whichever page builder we happen to be using, and we'll paste in the LX product search shortcode. Now let's save and let's go rerun our test. We'll go back to our home page, and now we have this nice search form instead of the default one. Plus, when we search drinkware, we actually get results. So in summary, if you're wondering how do I search by product categories in WooCommerce, you can either use code or you can go the easier route and use a search plugin like Elevated Product Search for WooCommerce.